In the name of Allah, dear students, good afternoon to all of you. I request 6th class students be ready for taking the class English. My topic of today is regarding the tale of two birds from story post. Now, dear students, be ready. Open your book at page number. And at page number 104 and lesson number first. Now, dear students, be ready. First paragraph of the lesson will begin. Try to see. A tale of two birds. One day there was a big storm. There was thunder, lightning, and rain, and the wind blew down many trees. The tall trees in which the birds lived also came down. A big heavy branch hit the nest and killed the bird. Fortunately for the baby birds, the strong wind blew them away to the other side of the forest. One of them came down near a cave where a gang of robbers lived. The other landed outside a rishi's or ashram a little distance away. Days passed and the baby birds became big birds. One day, the king of the country came to the forest to hunt. He saw a deer and rode after it. It ran deep into the forest, followed by the king. Soon the king lost his way and didn't know where he was. He rode on for a long time till he came to the other side of the forest. Very tired by then, he got off his horse and sat down under a tree that stood near a cave. Suddenly, he heard a voice crying out, "Quick, hurry up! There is someone under the tree. Come and take his jewels and his horse. Hurry or else he will slip away." The king was amazed. He looked up and saw a big brown bird in the tree under which he was sitting. He also heard faint noises emanating out from the cave. He quickly got onto his horse and rode away as fast as he could. Now, dear students, I mean that it is enough. Repeating again, you try to see. A tale of two birds. One day there was a big storm. There was thunder, lightning, and rain, and the wind blew down many trees. The tall trees in which the birds lived also came down. A big heavy branch hit the nest and killed the bird. Fortunately for the baby birds, the strong wind blew them away to the other side of the forest. One of them came down near a cave where a gang of robbers lived. The other landed outside a rishi's ashram a little distance away. Days passed and the baby birds became big birds. One day, the king of the country came to the forest to hunt. He saw a deer and rode after it. It ran deep into the forest, followed by the king. Soon the king lost his way and didn't know where he was. He rode on for a long time till he came to the other side of the forest. Very tired by then, he got off his horse and sat down under a tree that stood near a cave. Suddenly he heard a voice crying out, "Quick, hurry up! There is someone under the tree. Come and take his jewels and his house. Hurry or else he will slip away." The king was amazed. He looked up and saw a big big brown bird in the tree under which he was sitting. He also heard faint noise emanating out from the cave. He quickly got on to his horse and rode away as fast as he could. Now, dear students, you try to see here are some words whose meaning you are not knowing. I already write on the blackboard, I put on the blackboard, you try to see. Storm. Here is the word storm. Storm means Kandi. Storm means Kandi. Storm means violent gale. Lightning, बिजली. लाइटिंग जिसे हम बिजली कहते हैं, रोशनी कहते हैं, लाइटिंग. I mean that in electric flash. Lighting means electric flash. Here is other word robbers. Robbers जो होते हैं वो चोर होते हैं, thief होते हैं. Robbers means thieves. Tired, थका हुआ जो होता है, tired. I mean that fatigue. It is the next word of fatigue. Tired is fatigue. ये थका हुआ. Emanating meaning निकलना है, to follow from. Now, dear students, here is a story about tale of two birds. You already heard about the tale of two birds. Hope that you have already understood this lesson and you will be very punctual next time tomorrow. The students, I mean that it is enough. You try to take note copy and pen. Write these difficult words, these words whose meaning are not known to you. You try to write this. I mean that it is enough. Inshallah tomorrow for that. Bye.